Hello, once again on the Cloud Lab of Google Cloud Platform. Here I'm just validating the cluster if I can install the ASM, Anthos Service Mesh. You're basically going to run this command to ASM CLI, validate, have the project ID, the cluster name, the location, the fleet ID, which would be the project ID, okay? Then you have an output folder. Suddenly, as it responses has a outcome result positive, we are going to install the ASM, which I'm going to input the command ASM CLI install with all the others parameters you have seen before, and a couple of other flags like enable all and mesh, referring to mesh is enabled. After that is installed, I'm going to start and configure Istio, okay, telemetry 2, observability telemetry, and security tool for Kubernetes cluster. You can install it on GKE, which is a fully managed Kubernetes as a service, and you can install it even on premises. Okay, let's wait installation of ASM. Hope that's gonna be in fill. I think there's a reference here of ASM. Okay. That's waiting to complete. You see how many fields are completing. Let's wait some more minutes. Creating the namespace. Okay, successfully installed it. Let's create our namespace. Steel Gateway. Let's install Istio. We're going to create some, how can I say, the MVVAR with it. Let's label this namespace. Have an ingress gateway here that belongs to Istio system, and Istio components, like let's say like that. Going over here is not going to answer. Have nothing deployed right there. Let's get into the folder of ASM. Okay, so we're gonna run a couple of things here. Let's apply the samples. Under the samples, there is a couple of examples we're gonna be applying here. It's gonna be an ingress gateway. Okay, role bind, the service account, everything I would need. This is we need for our components. I'm gonna label back again the namespace, variety. And now if you go in here, let's see, ls cd samples. If you go, there's online boutique at the gateways. There is a booking for application. Okay. Let's get here. Gonna run the product, the service, which is cluster IP. There's a service account, deployment, the product page, and we have another deployment, another 3 reviews v2, v1, etc. And are going to deploy ratings also, serves our ratings, and that's it. Well, I just gave a cat on the booking for IAM that's able to deploy all the booking info applications. So you just need to install Istio, and inside the sample is going to be booking info platform code and booking info YAML. They belong to the default. Already just they already launched it. Let's see the services. Okay. And now what we have to do, we need the ingress gateway, so we didn't apply that. If you check here, we create service account, deployment, service account, etc. And now we're going to deploy the booking info gateway. It's virtual service, which uses this gateway, and everything that matches the URL product page is going to forward to this pages here. Okay, we're going to use this prefix. There is going to be the destination of the service, or even the virtual service. It's a way to proxy your service to be available outside of the cluster. Here's the booking info gateway we're going to apply. So it's going to create a booking info gateway and a virtual service to apply this service here, be accessed. So after you can start a little bit more the virtual service that just gives everything I think they match or prefix or put as if they match and prefix and their destination to forward product page. Port 98. You don't see the port. I think if you get in here, you can see the port. Or okay, the port and the target port. Great. So matches what I said. Let's apply this booking info gateway. So here, now you're gonna get a way to get our services and discover our URL to get in to the product page. It's gonna be simple. Let's get into a pod of ratings just to see what's gonna answer wrapping the tags title and title to booking for store. So if you open this little page here, I think it's going to answer somewhere. That's not going to be this URL. Let's get the gateway. That's our booking for gateway. Let's get the ingress gateway. Okay, this is a load balancer. So let's export the URL. And there's two. Should be this page. Let's see if it can answer from here. Sorry, fellows, the P was lowercase. So we just deployed, now you see here, simple app bookstore. That's where we get from getting the title of the product page. If you even get some tags, I don't know if I would like to say. I don't think it can reaches it, gets it. No, it's not. It's just cannot have a tune. All right, so we get our page. So you can see here the ratings. You have many installed versions for this service. You see there's the have three services: red, black, and none. Okay, now we're going to install Siege. It's going to be generating some loading. It's utility for generating load against the websites. So Siege is going to create traffic over this page. So now we're going to Anthos service mesh. Let's refresh this. So you have here the product page. We're gonna click on it. So in field, the request must appear here. So the requests are coming. Here we go. Even they should appear here more stuff. Service level object. But this helps you to understand the service mesh. Like you see the product page called the details page and the reviews page. Remember, I have a way to call it in a loop. Let me find it. But in case that everything I would like to share about the ES2, we can do this. So we're gonna use this guy. Maybe we're gonna have more traffic using that. So it's not going to stop. It's gonna be calling this. It doesn't have the gateway URL. We can directly do these. You see, the answer is 200. So in field here, I wonder it's gonna change it. The requests. See, are reaching more requests per second. So Anthos helps you to manage your service mesh. Let's see the track. I don't know if it can show that. I think it has a view like Kiali, which show the traffic on the fly. There is no security. Can open full. Numbers are appearing. It's gonna rise. So I'm not going to put even my bash. Let's see the partial. Oh, it doesn't support. Maybe it's git bash. This supports. You're gonna have more and more stuff here come. You see, it's rising to requests per second. By the way, that's everything I would like to share in this lab. Thanks for watching. This Istio install the ASM using the CLI and configuring and deploying the booking for application. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.